entire human being. 7 billion human beings. We are same. Mentally, emotionally, physically, we are same. One big family. With love will make the difference. With compassion we can see. Our hope brings us together. Love will set us free. We are one. 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 If we stand together, we are one. If we're worlds apart, we are one. If we love another, we are one. No matter where we are one. When we help a brother, we are one. When we lift a heart, we are one. When we choose compassion, we are one. Great work of art, we are one. We are one. We are one. With compassion, love is the force that leads us on. We are we are one. Humanity, love is universal language. We are one big family. We are one. We are one. We turn fear to understanding, hate to harmony. If we let the universe inside of us teach great diversity, and on love we'll build the future.